Hi, this is Billy. I love DIY camping gears. Today I want to show you a series of camping tables that I made over the past weeks. In this video, I'll show you how I made this aluminum camping table. You can make it too. Watch till the end, and I'll be testing the table as well. Today I want to show you my DIY aluminum camping table. It's made up of two halves of the aluminum plates, and you just use this wire created from the hanger. Just lock it down at each end, like that, and you have a very good aluminum camping table. Unlike the cardboard camping table that I built previously, this one is metallic, so it can stand high temperature. You can cook directly on top of the table and put your hot stuff. It's a good size for 1 or 2 persons to cook and enjoy their food. And it's easy to install and uninstall. Just a click and then you can pack it away. I made a carrying bag using some surplus clothes and fabrics for my tent. Now let me show you how to make it. You need to buy this aluminum foil. It's 0.8 mm thick. So cut it into the size you want for your camping table. It will be made up of 2 pieces. So you need to divide your area in half. It can be wide and long, as big as you like or as small as you think will fit. Carve out 1 centimeter from all 4 sides so we can do the bending and curling to make sure the table has all the enforcement it needs and the right notches to secure it by using the stainless steel hanging wire. Then cut out the corners. Bend one side of the 1 centimeter edge to a 90-degree angle. Alternatively, you can put this aluminum foil on top of a block of wood and use a hammer to hammer it to 90 degrees. To make the table surface flat, put the aluminum foil on top of a block of wood and then use a hammer to hammer it gently. Bend the other side of your aluminum foil to 90 degrees as well. For one side of the edge, use a clamp to clamp it into a cylinder shape. You may put a stainless steel wire within it to help you do the bending. Make sure the cylinder created on one side of your aluminum foil can still fit in a stainless steel wire. Repeat this bending work for the second aluminum foil, which is for the second half of your table. Draw a line around 2.5 centimeters from the edge. It looks like this after the cutting. You also want to bend the aluminum foil at both ends to lift up a bit so it can secure the table. Get some wire from a hanger. Choose the thickest hanger wire you can find and model out of this shape to bend and create the base of your table. I saw similar video made by other YouTubers where they made a shape that ignored the center piece, the second horizontal wire. This wire is very important. Without this wire, your table will not be strong enough. Then you can fit it into the table to secure it. Just put one side in, put the center to the notches, and then put the other side into the other half of the table, and repeat it for the other end. Voila! Now you got an aluminum camping table that is very strong and secure. Now let's do a side-by-side comparison with the same aluminum table you can get from the market. Our table is much longer. We can of course make it wider. It's up to you. You can design your own size. Let's make sure your hanger wire is able to support it. Now we are ready to take it out for a camping. I will stop the narrative now. Please enjoy the rest of the video in original sound of this ride. If you like my video, please click like, subscribe, share with your friends, and remember to click the bell so I can inform you of the next video.